morning, evening, well, morning, afternoon, evening, whenever you're watching this. Welcome back to my channel. I just realized today is a great day to film a video, especially with I'm sounding a little bit congested. So I'll most likely be doing a voiceover, also because I am working today and the kids are going to be rowdy. So I'll do a voiceover when my voice is not like this, when I'm editing, so it won't sound all crazy. And today's one of those days where threw my hair up in a messy bun, this is like my go-to comfort shirt. I don't know if you guys have one of those types of shirts, but I definitely do. I got some things on the counter that I have set out that I need to obviously put away. There's a few things I'm setting out for my meals for today, which is going to be this video. Obviously, what I eat in a day.
All right, so I started off the morning with a protein coffee. This is a Reese's Peanut Butter Cup protein coffee. If you have not seen it on my shorts, definitely go check out how I made it because it has to be one of my favorite protein coffees I've ever made. I did want to show y'all, this is something that I do use when I have dairy, and it does seem to help my stomach a bit better, not get so, stomach irritation, bloating, gassy and stuff when I do have dairy. Of course, I still get that, but this helps minimize it. For breakfast, I'm having my protein pancakes. If you have not seen me make this, it's on my other video. I just love these protein pancakes so freaking much. They're absolutely delicious. I dollop the top of it with some vanilla Greek yogurt and then strawberries and bananas and sugar-free syrup. I love the sugar-free syrup. I feel like it's way lower in calories and way lower in Weight Watchers points. And to me, it tastes just as good. I wanted to know if y'all like watching, when you watch a What I Eat in a Day video, do you like watching the person eating? Let me know down below because I can start adding that into my videos because I know I usually don't. But it is lunchtime. I'm using the Wasa crisp bread crackers. These are really good. This is the first time I've ever tried these. And I'm just going to make pretty much avocado toast, but avocado crackers. I do want to say I am steering away from being on a diet. Sorry about that. Being on a diet. I am trying to, you'll see in an upcoming video on a vlog, I'm going to share kind of what I'm doing now with pretty much life, my health. If I will be tracking calories, doing Weight Watchers and all that, you guys will see in a future video, in a future vlog. But I am really just trying to stick to fueling my body. And my Weight Watchers plan actually expired and I have not renewed it. So hence the reason why I won't be showing points on the screen. But everything in this video is very Weight Watcher friendly. Obviously, avocados are higher in points, but they are very healthy for you, and I want to start incorporating them into my diet. So I got the cottage cheese. I put some cottage cheese on top for some extra protein. It does suck. I do realize that I cannot have cottage cheese because I do get a pretty bad stomach ache from it. So I have to take that out of my diet. But this was kind of like a test run for that. And luckily I do think that I am okay with avocados. So I'm just going to put that on there, sprinkle some of the everything but the salt seasoning, put some pepperonis on there, put some turkey and a little bit of balsamic glaze, and it turned out absolutely delicious. It was extremely filling, and I highly, highly recommend y'all try this out.
Never thought I'd believe in miracles. You made me realize that you're the only one. Don't need to tell me what the future holds. Oh, I'll be fine 'cause we'll be laying in the sun. So you can let your hair down. I'll hide all of your worries away, and we don't have to go now. I wish I could live this life on replay. Don't need to make plans. spending all my time with you. Driving through the states, don't know what awaits. It don't matter, I'm spending all my time with you. I'm spending all my time. I'm spending all my time with you. Oh, I'm spending all my time.
All right, so I needed a snack, something chocolatey, of course. These legendary protein sweet rolls are so good. Put them in the microwave for about 9 to 10 seconds and it melts a little bit. Oh my gosh, y'all. These are amazing, and they're amazing on Weight Watchers points. They're just amazing in general. They have the calories, the protein. They just taste good, and I highly recommend them. I also wanted a smoothie because I wanted to add in some fiber and a few other things nutrition wise, because I have been dealing with a bit of constipation. I know, a bit of TMI, but with having IBS, I have never had IBS where I've been constipated. I've had IBS where I've been running to the bathroom. So your girl's trying to figure out a good combo for that, but the smoothie
All right,
was
my
really
voice
good.
is sounding definitely better, and the kiddos are gone, so I made myself some chili. If you have not seen my little shorts video I made, definitely go check that out. This is a 0-point chili, and it's very, very good. I'm going to use up the other half of this avocado so it doesn't go bad. Then I'm going to add a serving size, which is a 1/4 cup of the light shredded cheese from Trader Joe's. I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of the Daisy Light Sour Cream, and these are pretty high in points, but I want something to like dip it in, dip into the chili. So I'm going to have one of these chalupas. I didn't get these for chili. I got these to obviously make Matt and I some chalupas, but they were sitting on my counter and it sounded good. So I'm going to add that, and yeah, I'll show you all what it looks like after I put it all together. All right, and here is what my dinner looks like. I am so excited to eat this, y'all.
All right, that is the end of this video. I really hope y'all enjoy. If you want to see more eat with me videos, like what I eat in a day videos, then definitely let me know down below. Subscribe, like, and there's a lot of new subscribers here, and I just want to say y'all are amazing. Thank you so much for all the support lately. It means so much more to me than you know, and I really hope you're enjoying my channel. I will see y'all in my next one.